All right, we have a 2019 Silverado 2500. And this is the gas truck, double cab, four-wheel drive, work truck package, trailer tow mirrors. It's got the Weston ProTrax 4 black running boards. It only has 6,200 miles on it. The ash gray vinyl seats with the black vinyl flooring. There's your four-wheel drive. Has Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, as well as a backup camera. Got the flip-up console here with the auxiliary dual USB and a 12-volt port in there. You have LED map lights. Four-wheel drive. Got the black mud flaps. Tow package. And there's the extra sleeve in the glove box. Got a spray and bed liner. You can see all the options online as well. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Actually, I'm sorry, the mirrors are manual. Just power locks and power windows. Auto on-off headlights, and there's your trailer brake. 6,247 miles. Cruise control. Tow haul mode. There's your backup camera.